Hello everyone, my name is Luke and welcome back to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel. This is how to increase your limits on the FNB app. Watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the FNB app and log into your account. Make sure that you are on the home screen and then scroll down until you see the cards option and select it. After that, choose the card that you want to increase the limits for. On the next screen, tap Update Limit. You will now see the available limits for your card. Select the limits that you want to increase. Then enter the new amount that you want for that limit. Repeat this process for any other limits that you would also like to increase. Once you have finished making your changes, tap Update at the bottom of the screen. Review the confirmation screen to make sure that everything is correct. If everything looks right, tap Confirm to apply your new limits. And that is it. That is how to increase your limits on the FNB app. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the Banking Help SA YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Goodbye.